mag-alala, tutulungan kita. Kailangan natin magtulungan para mapabuti ang kalagayan mo. So, next time, kaya mo na mag-alaga sa sarili mo.
Sana nga kaya ko. Pero nakikita ako.
Kailangan lang ang goal lang natin dito is magtulungan para mapabuti ka, para magawa mo na yung mga basic needs mo.
Hello po. Ako pala si Doc Musende. So, nurse, nabigay niyo na ba yung yung medicine na kailangan niya?
Yes po, Doc. Nabigay ko na po yung gamot ng patient. Pero kasi yung pasyente natin, kailangan niya ng mga tulong sa basic needs niya kasi para makarecover po siya.
Basic needs? Pwede bang nurse, sundin na lang natin yung healthcare plan? Makinig ka na lang sa utos ko.
With all due respect, doctor, sinusunod ko naman po yung mga order ninyo, but the patient po kasi is need ng help po. And hindi lang naman yung trabaho ko para sundin ka.
Iwan.
Have you eaten your lunch already? Yes, I did. No. Virginia, you've been writing all day. What are you working on?
Something I've been thinking about how we nurses help patients beyond just giving medicines.
Oh, you mean like helping them to move, eat, and rest?
Exactly, every person has basic needs. When they can't do this, nursing begins.
Oh, interesting. But isn't that what we already do?
Yes, but no one has clearly defined it. I want the world to understand what true nursing means.
Oh, okay.
Uy, Gwen, kamusta yung duty mo kanina?
Okay naman, medyo nakakapagod pero worth it. Wow, nice.
Wait lang kung pwede kayo may istorbo,
Yes,
mga
ma'am.
nurse. Nurse Anderson, so may narinig ako parang kumakalat na may theory kang ginawa or basta may theory ka daw ginawa.
Yes po, Doc. I call it nursing need theory.
Tungkol saan yun? Anong specialty ng theory mo compare sa iba?
It defines nursing as people do what they would do for themselves.
That's wonderful. So, nursing focuses on the one person, not just an illness.
Exactly. We care for body, mind, and spirit.
Doc, good afternoon po. Mga nurse, good afternoon. Miss Anderson, ito na po pala yung pinapagawa mo ng notes, yung 14 basic needs.
Thank you. 14? Yes. Name a few. It's like breathing, communicating, learning, maintaining faith, and so many more.
Wow, so you've given a new meaning sa nursing, ha? Congratulations sa'yo, Miss Anderson.
Thank you, Doc.
Kapagaling mo. So, may iwan ko na kayo mga nurse, no? Ano na ako?
Oh, congrats.